Hey, I hope you're having an absolutely incredible day today. Today I'm going to be running you through how you can set up push notifications with your iPhone so that when you finish the scenario, you can be notified that it's finished. So right now I have it set up for this. So I have some automated posts that occur. And then once the automation has completed, I set up this Apple iOS send a push notification. So in order to do that, you're going to come into here into devices. You're going to add device, name the device whatever you want. Then it's going to give you a barcode. And you're going to go onto your phone. You're going to download the make.com app. And there is a scanner button. And you're just simply going to scan the barcode. It's going to scan it, add it to your phone. Then once it's set up, you'll have something like this. And then you can come back into your scenario, click on it, add the device here. Select the one that you just connected, and then the way I have it set to is open browser, and the URL address is the download link, the content that I create, so I can post it from my phone afterwards. So this is just a really short tutorial. I hope you got some value out of this, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.